This 2018 Forest River Sabre 3.6 FRP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 8, smoke detector, LP detector, refrigerator, oven, TV, air conditioning, water heater, leveling jacks, slide-out, microwave, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Sabre 3.6 FRP is 12,655 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.